Then paddle. Go. Paddle. Go. You gotta bump the paddle. Paddle.
This is Booderee National Park and it is absolutely stunning. Good for me because I'm still learning. I focus on my surfing getting me up and getting my confidence back, and these are the perfect waves to do that.
Yeah, she improved so much. So, I think we're going to give it a bit of a go. Good morning, another coffee round. First time we've made coffee in a while since our fridge died. Probably should run through that situation, hey?
This morning we are walking to Booderee Beach. It's about 1 kilometre from the car park. So there's Booderee Beach and then there's Caves Beach. And this is, as I was saying, this is Booderee National Park in Jervis Bay and it is absolutely stunning. We went surfing yesterday and it was so much fun. The waves were just like, they just roll in. Really good for me because I'm still learning. So Gordon said this today is all about me, which is amazing. I love when it's all about me. And we're going to focus on my surfing getting me up and getting my confidence back, and these are the perfect waves to do that. Oh wow, okay. These ones are much of a muchness, a bit like the other side I think, so we'll just give these a go first.
Such a stunning national park. Like the sand, the waves, the water, the hills and the little mountains in the background. It's absolutely beautiful. The nice thing about being on this side, Booderee Beach, as opposed to Caves Beach, is a lot less crowds and a lot less busy. Caves Beach, because it's a shorter walk to the car park. Not as much swell as yesterday. We did hear it was dropping off. So I think we're going to give it a bit of a go. There's a little bit of a wave. We're going to try and see if we can get Kitlin rocking and rolling with this. sideways. Too much. Full paddle, go, you gotta paddle. Straight at me, and then go sideways. Yep, come on. Stop the paddle. Okay, watch this guy, pull up. Nah. Talk to me, how was that?
Talk to me. You could ask me a specific question.
Okay, well, we surfed for 3 hours. It is now 12:30, 1:15.
Yeah.
We got in at like 8:30.
Yeah.
How was that for you?
I think that's the best surf session I've ever had.
So good.
In terms of as in, I did really well on the wave.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't get as many as I've ever done before, but I actually got to go sideways on the wave.
Yeah, she improved so much. So the waves got that good. We actually didn't film everything just because we got distracted trying to catch waves. So we'll try and do better next time.
It was so much fun.
But it's magic. So the weather's meant to be turning a bit shittier over the next couple of days. And we're heading up for Sydney. So I think this is the end of the surf trip for the South Coast. Yeah, so we're going to try and get up in Central Coast. This is South Coast? Sapphire Coast. South Sapphire Coast, North Sapphire Coast. So anyway, food time.
Yes, I'm starving.
You.